everyone, and welcome back! It's your neighborhood cheetah, Chee Chee, and today we're going to the bank! And today we're going to deposit a check.
Yeah!
Checks are a way to keep a paper trail of who you have paid and how much you have paid them. When someone gives you a check, you can deposit it in your bank account.
Let's go!
When you deposit a check into your bank account, they will place it on a hold. If you keep a lot of money in your bank account, then the bank will not place your check on hold.
Okay, let's go, baby!
Now, let's go to the bank and deposit our check. Hi, Leo. It's great to see you again.
Chee Chee, my best friend. What can I do for you?
I want to deposit this check and get back $100.
Of course. Uh-oh.
What is it?
Unfortunately, Chee Chee, this check will go on hold and I cannot give you any cash back.
Oh, come on!
Oh, no. I won't be able to buy my toys right now.
Always remember, checks can be on a 2-day hold or a 7-day hold.
Thank you!
Now let's watch a different scenario.
Hi, Leo. It's great to see you again.
Chee Chee, my best friend. What can I do for you?
I want to deposit this check and get back $100.
Of course, and good news. Because you keep money in your account, I will be able to give you the cash back right away.
Yeah!
Because I keep money in my bank account, I was able to get cash back to buy my toys.
Woohoo!
But remember, if you always want cash immediately, deposit cash. Wow, what an adventure that we had today! Today we put our checks on hold. Like us and subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal that you want to see next. Join us next time, kiddos, and see what we're going to learn next because we're going to the bank.
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta.